there, llama lovers. I'm Chaya, a certified llama wrangler, aka product manager. And I'm thrilled to share the latest from our llama herd. Over the past year, our herd has grown with the arrival of Llama 3, a new generation of state-of-the-art models. Today, I'll take you on a tour of our herd, and I'll showcase a few things. 1, our open pasture approach. There are no cages here. We let our llamas roam free, fostering collaboration and innovation. 2, the llama herd's harmonious hum. I'll share how our models work together in perfect unison to support your generative AI needs. And 3, safe grazing practices, where you'll learn how our herd ensures your products provide a secure and enjoyable experience for your community. Okay, enough with the amazing puns. A key differentiator of Llama, other than having the best product name ever, is the fact that we are taking an open approach to developing Llama. This open approach has been a core part of our philosophy from the very start. For developers, open access to Llama 3 means freedom to innovate, experiment, and push boundaries. For Meta, we believe that a stronger ecosystem makes our herd stronger. By sharing our technology, we're fostering collaboration, driving progress, and accelerating AI advancements. And for the world, this means faster innovation and global growth of impact of generative AI products and experiences. And together with Llama, we're unlocking new possibilities and really shaping the future of AI. Our partners agree that our focus on open source breeds both stronger models and a healthy and flourishing ecosystem. Over the last year, since we open sourced Llama 2, we have a community with hundreds of partners and have seen over 300 million downloads. The most exciting part of this growth and adoption is the recipes and the innovations that we are seeing from the community every single day. To support the diverse needs of the Llama community, we are building many Llama models that can be used as a system to create efficient and optimized experiences for all of your needs. Unlike our competitors, Llama offers options. From pre-trained or aligned models and various sizes to fit your use cases, compute, or infrastructure constraints, these models can really work in tandem to support all of your needs. This year, we introduced upgraded 8B and 70B parameter models featuring multilingual support, a longer context length of 128,000, state-of-the-art tool use, and enhanced reasoning capabilities. These capabilities make Llama ideal for advanced use cases like long-form text summarization, multilingual conversational agents, and even coding assistants. And with our new licensing terms, developers can now use Llama model outputs, including our 405B model, to improve other models. With Llama, you both get flexibility and you get control. True to our commitment to open source, we've made these models available to the community for download at llama.meta.com and on Hugging Face. They're also available on our broad ecosystem of partner platforms. We also open sourced our state-of-the-art model, Llama 405B. Our pre-trained model, Llama 3.1 405B, was trained on over 15 trillion tokens using 16,000 H100 GPUs. With a standard decoder-only transformer architecture and improved data quality, Llama 3.1 405B absolutely sets a new standard. Our fine-tuned models undergo multiple rounds of alignment using supervised fine-tuning, rejection sampling, and direct preference optimization. And we generate high-quality synthetic data and ensure balanced data quality across all of our capabilities. For the average developer, we understand that using an AI model at the scale of the 405B model is quite challenging. While it's an incredibly powerful model, we recognize that it requires significant compute resources and expertise to work with. And we know that not every partner really has that expertise. So we've spoken to the community and we realize that there's so much more to generative AI development than just prompting models. And we really want to enable everyone to get the most out of this 405B model. This is where the Llama ecosystem can really help. Developers can take advantage of all the advanced capabilities of the 405B model and start building immediately. Developers can also explore advanced workflows like easy-to-use synthetic data generation, follow turnkey directions for model distillation, and enable seamless RAG solutions with partners from AWS, NVIDIA, and Databricks. Additionally, Grok has optimized low-latency inference for cloud deployments, with Dell achieving similar optimizations as on-prem systems. In addition to these models, you can also bring together all of our offerings with the Llama system. Llama models were always intended to work as a part of an overall system that can orchestrate across several components, including calling external tools. Our vision is to go beyond the foundation models to give developers access to a broader system that gives them the flexibility to design and create custom offerings that align with their vision. This thinking started last year when we first introduced the incorporation of components outside of the core LLM. We're also starting to work with industry startups and the broader community to define standardized interfaces for building toolchain components and agentic applications. We've released a request for comment on GitHub to seek feedback to improve our proposal. And that brings us to the last key component of the Llama herd: how we keep the herd safe. In addition to our models, we've also invested in open source trust and safety tools that protect the herd out in the field. Before we release a model, we take a careful look at its potential risks. We start by analyzing the training data to make sure it's representative of all the demographics, so our model doesn't perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Next, we put our model to the test, evaluating its performance against benchmarks to see if it produces harmful outputs. If we identify any issues, then we fine-tune the model to reduce this risk of harm. This might, for instance, involve training it on more diverse datasets. But our work doesn't stop there. We put our fine-tuned model through a rigorous process called red teaming, where we simulate real-world scenarios to see how it performs. This gives our product teams the insights and data they need to make any additional adjustments to ensure the model is safe and effective. This process is really iterative, and we keep refining the model until we're confident in its readiness for release. And we're not just stopping at fine-tuning models for safety. We're also introducing a comprehensive safety system that empowers everyone to harness the full potential of our models while minimizing risk. With the latest release of Llama 3, we've made a significant breakthrough by integrating reference systems, which enables our model to perform complex tasks autonomously. Our system-level safety framework is designed to proactively identify and mitigate potential threats, giving developers the confidence to deploy generative AI responsibly. This framework is tailored to specific use cases and aligns with our responsible use guide, ensuring that developers have the tools they need to deploy robust and reliable safeguards. But that's not all. We're committed to fostering responsible deployment and innovation through our Open Trust and Safety Initiative. We're making our safety solutions, from evaluations to system safeguards, available as open source resources so that our community can benefit from our expertise and also work together to create a safer and more responsible AI ecosystem. And that wraps it up for today. We've chatted about our amazing llama herd that is raised in an open pasture, works together as a herd to build something greater than just one llama can produce, and also leverages tools to keep the herd safe. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our herd today. And over the coming year, you should really stay tuned because we're constantly innovating and adding more models and system components to our offerings. In addition, with the vibrant llama community, there are always innovations that are added to our existing herd daily. And that's really the beauty of open source. You should really scan this QR code to get regular updates on Llama. And we're so excited to have you join the llama community and help us to continue to grow our herd.